All right, welcome back, students. This is the vocabulary section on page 85. Please turn to page 85 and follow along. First, let's check the homework to see what we need to do. So, section 2 vocabulary says exercise A, listen and repeat. Word box, listen and repeat. Complete exercises B and C. All right. So, A, listen to the audio and read along. So be sure to read along in your book with the audio.
Vocabulary. Activity A. Listen to the audio and read along. Guess the meaning of the words in bold. Charisma is an important quality for people who have leadership aspirations. However, that special personal appeal cannot make one an accomplished leader on its own. Ambitious leaders are knowledgeable, skillful, and very determined. They set goals and offer opportunities for each team member to reach their potential. Real leaders motivate and inspire others to achieve their goals.
All right, very good. So that's the audio. It's quick, not too difficult, but there are some new words that you may not know, such as charisma, accomplished, determined, ambitious, aspirations. So practice reading this and take your time on these new words. Make sure you get the pronunciation correct and go from there. So now let's go to the word box. Let's listen to them saying it. Remember, they say it fast, so we'll listen one time and then we'll go through together, you and me.
Accomplished, ambitious, aspiration, attention, attract, charisma, determined, inspire, motivate, obtain, outstanding, talented.
All right, very good. So now let's go through it together. So I'm going to say it and you need to repeat it, please. So accomplished, accomplished, ambitious, ambitious, aspiration, aspiration, attention, attention, attract, attract, charisma, charisma, determined, determined, inspire, inspire, motivate, motivate, obtain, obtain, outstanding, outstanding, and talented, talented. All right, so keep practicing those on your own. Now let's go to exercise B. It says to complete the sentences using the words from the box. Number 1. Young people's dreams and blank are influenced by the people they admire. So dreams and blank. Dreams and aspirations. Aspirations. That's another word for your dreams, your goals, the things you want to do in your life. Those are your aspirations. Number 1, aspirations. Number 2, she was so blank that when she was only 16 years old, she won an Olympic gold medal. She was so, we need a word that describes. So she was so talented. Creo que talentoso, talentosa. She was so talented that when she was only 16 years old, she won an Olympic gold medal. And number 3, blank can only help you so much. You will also need to prove that you can accomplish goals and inspire others. In the paragraph, it says charisma is important. However, you need other things too. So charisma can only help you so much. Number 3 is charisma. Number 4, his blank performance won him many awards. His blank performance. What do you think? Determined could work, but outstanding is better. His outstanding, that means it was just fantastic. It was amazing. It was great. Just amazing. Marvelous. Outstanding. Number 5, it is difficult to blank support to finance a new project. It is difficult to obtain support to finance a new project. And yes, that is true. His speeches blank a lot of people, but we don't know if they will vote for him. All right, his speeches. So we have 2 words that are good. We have motivate and inspire. His speeches blank a lot of people, but we don't know if they will vote for him. All right, so motivate is good, but inspire is better. When you talk about giving a speech, usually it'll be referred to as inspirational. Oh man, that was so inspirational. So number 6 is his speeches inspire. Number 7, having the ability to blank others is considered one of the most important skills for leadership. So real leaders motivate and inspire others. All right, so having the ability to motivate others is considered one of the most important skills for leadership. And look, you can put motivate for 6 and inspire for 7, and it would be correct. It's just inspire is more correct, and motivate works a little better here. But they're almost the same. Almost. Number 8, in spite of all the blank the press gave the film, the audiences just were not impressed by it, so it failed. All right, so the press, what does the press give? The press gives attention. So in spite of all the attention the press gave the film, it failed. Well, there you go. That is exercise B. Let's come down to exercise C. Only 3 questions. So we need to circle the correct word. So number 1, the blank of many young scientists is to be like Einstein and come up with a revolutionary new theory. So the attention or aspiration. So it's talking about dreams or goals. The aspiration of many young scientists. Aspirations. Number 2, his charisma and blank speaking abilities have made him popular choice among politicians. So when you talk about speaking abilities, outstanding. That means he has marvelous, amazing speaking abilities. Ambitious is more for talking about someone's goals and what they're trying to do. Like if you're ambitious, you're seeking to get ahead, you're seeking to get better, you have high goals, lofty goals. So outstanding. Number 2 is outstanding. Number 3, she was so blank to help others that she risked a lot in order to popularize her ideas. All right, talented. Okay, maybe she was talented. Determined? What is determined? What does that mean? Excuse me. Determined means that you will not stop. You are determined to do it. You will not stop. Even if you have setbacks or obstacles, you will keep going. You are determined. So she was determined to help others, that she risked a lot in order to popularize her ideas. So she took a risk because she was determined. So there you go. That is the vocabulary section. Thank you for following along. I hope you are all doing well, and I miss you in my class.